Before the big battle on October the 3rd, we had already conducted, I think, 6 other missions, all of which gave us, I think, overconfidence that we could do whatever we wanted in the city, that the enemy was not that fierce. But unfortunately, you know, as events unfolded on October 3rd, when we were doing another typical mission to go into a city, to a hotel in the heart of the bad guy territory, one of our helicopters got shot down.
Then, Islamist militants shot down a second U.S. helicopter. But the men trying to rescue the embattled Americans also got trapped. 99 U.S. servicemen were now stranded in the middle of the city, surrounded by thousands of armed fighters. This operation was memorialized in the book and movie called Black Hawk Down. It was not widely reported that 4 Navy SEALs worked with Army Rangers to rescue their downed soldiers.
So we were in a gun battle from about noon that day until noon the next. We took wounded guys in, and we went back out and fought some more, took some more back in, and then we went out a 3rd time to rescue the guys in the helicopter. And we did. We finally got them out.
Although 18 Americans died in perhaps the fiercest firefight since Vietnam, every SEAL who was in Mogadishu earned a Silver Star for valor in combat. But the brutality of the battle was broadcast, and the U.S. withdrew. Known as the Mogadishu effect, fear of public humiliation underscored many future U.S. foreign policy decisions. But a loss for America was taken as a victory by al-Qaeda.